Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Ooh, what color should I make this? Okay, just ignore that. Anyways, oh, what a freak. Okay, anyways, never mind. Why am I so bad at intros now? This isn't my first video. My first video even was a better intro. Okay, anyways. Hello guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you like it. And remember to like and subscribe and hit the bell if you like my content. And yeah, and I need the picture I took of this house. Okay. Ah, cat. Sit. Sit. Good girl. Okay. I got the picture. Okay, that was tiring, more time than I expected. But let's get started on today's video. So, for the rest of the house, I kinda need to color this. Yes, color this. What color is it? Hard to see, but I think it's like this color, just in a different material that's darker. Okay. Definitely not this. Books. Ah! Cat, why do you do this? Sorry if there's a lot of noise. Just sit. Good. Okay, I have no idea what color I'm gonna, or what material I shall do for this. I think I found the right material I should use for this, which is this one. I just need a lighter color. Wait, that's perfect. Perfecto. And perfecto. Now what? Let's do these rooftop things. Oh, okay. So I have to go to build and roof. Last video you saw that I'm not that good with roof. I don't know. And yeah. I think this is good though. Farther out or closer? Farther. Is it in here? No, it's not. I can do that, and I can do those here too. Actually, I'm going to do that closer in. Like, here. I mean, that is much better. Wait, is this even the right roof? Here. Here. No, not here. 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 Yeah, I think it was. No, I don't want it like that. Okay. I want it like... Oh, wait, that's the farthest it goes out. Really? That's good. Well, that's okay. I don't know about good. Good. Wait, if this works, I'm a genius. If this works. Uh. Oh no! It doesn't work. I was trying to add wall trims on a roof, but apparently you can't. Wish you could, but you can't. Okay, now we should do like here and stuff. I'll do the outside off camera. Okay, my head hurts now, probably because I watched YouTube for a full hour. Well, I'm not sure why, but I'm pretty sure that's why. Like literally a full hour. Okay, next thing I shall do is Am I ready for the interior already? I think I am. Oh wait, I need to do the base line thing. I'm gonna use a wall and then, okay, so this is a weird shaped garage, but yes, it's a garage. I don't know why that's a garage, but yeah, that's a garage. And then this is gonna be kitchen. Maybe, probably, okay. This is the dining room. Oops. Dining room. This is the living room. The living room. And I need to it there. Now this can be a little wider. That's actually a pretty big living room. Anyways, this shall be the bathroom. Sure. And this is just like, I have no idea. I'll think of it later. Now let's go upstairs. There's only one bathroom downstairs, so I'm gonna make one here. This is a room. This is a, which one's the master bedroom? I have no idea. But I want to get rid of that. And I want this. I can make this, however, because it doesn't show decoration. So yeah, that's the master bedroom with its own bathroom. That's a big bathroom. And this is going to be a tiny little bedroom. Now, where's the stairs gonna be? So, I think the stairs are gonna go right here. There. So, I'm gonna go to stairs. Build. Stairs. Should it be like one of these? Nah. Let's just do normal. There. Did I? Oh, I thought I placed that for a second. Which I'm glad I didn't. And then, once it leads up here, it's gonna, I don't know what this is gonna be yet. Actually, I have an idea. That could be the playroom. Sure. I just wanted a different shape. Nah. That would be a small one. Sure, that's fine. And that's it. I'm gonna add the flooring and I'll be back. So I did the floors here, here, nice, and I think that's it for our video today. I'm probably gonna make the same part 3 the same day today, and yeah, I'll see you all next time. Bye.